What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the How-To channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to make money using ChatGPT. As always, we love this open AI, okay, guys? So if you've been using it, let me know. But there's ways you can actually make money on here, right? It's incredible. Now, it's real simple, okay? Just open it up, make a free account, okay? People making thousands a day, literally, and using Scary Robot. Super easy. So enter scarytoolbots, okay.com, pop it in your email, and it will send you a spreadsheet like this. This spreadsheet is there. Easy. Select one from the list and sign up, and it will give you a link to share on your social media. When people actually sign up, though, you will get paid. Okay, so whichever tool you select, go to YouTube and watch the video on how to promote it. Click on show transcripts, copy and paste that into ChatGPT, and it will rewrite it for you. Once that's done, simply just copy its writing. Paste it into Cynthia, that's synthesia.io, and it will actually turn your next video into a promo video. Guys, this is incredible. So ChatGPT will rewrite that for you. You put it into Cynthia. Cynthia will make the video for you. All you've done is copy and paste. Now you've got a full AI video. So you just hit create a free AI video there, and it makes it for you. Paste it in there, and guys, like and follow for more how-to videos.